Hello everybody, today we are going to make this Bluetooth speaker boom again. This is a UE Mini Boom, an old Bluetooth speaker that have a problem. The battery doesn't last as long as it did when it was new. Instead of buying a new one, we are going to replace the battery of this unit, since everything else is working nicely. In this video I've made a very dangerous mistake. Watch it closely and write in the comment what you think I did wrong. I'll tell you the answer next week. To open the device, I'm going to pry the back grille as a first step. It's glued in place, so you'll have to carefully go around all the perimeter of it and slowly release the adhesive. We then need to undo the 8 screws on the back. 4 of them are visible and the other 4 are in the holes. You'll need a long crosshead screwdriver to remove them. After the screws, we turn our attention to the front and we need to peel back a bit of the black rubber that goes around the edge. You'll see a small slit and you'll need to pry it open. Be careful when you remove the front part, or you'll end up ripping the cables to the speaker like I did. Now we can just pull out the board and disconnect the battery. I've bought this new battery and we have to notice 2 things. First, the new battery is slightly bigger, but that is okay, because it will fit and it will give us a longer playtime, since it also has a bigger capacity. Second, it doesn't have a connector. To fix the second problem, I'm going to cut the plug from the old battery and solder it to the new one. As usual, I've stripped the cables, twisted and tinned them, placed some heat shrink on the wires and soldered them, paying attention to the polarity. Black is negative, red is positive, and the third wire is the thermistor, white on the battery and yellow on the connector. The heat shrink is very important because lithium batteries can catch fire and explode if we short the positive and the negative, so don't forget to insulate the connections. I've then quickly soldered the speaker back and connected the battery to the board. Turning it on, we can see that everything is working fine. So we can take a bit of double-sided tape, stick the battery in its place, and, to be extra careful, add some electric tape over the soldering we've done. To reassemble, we just need to do what we've done before in reverse order. This is it for this week. Have you spotted my mistake? If you did, write it in the comment. I hope this video was helpful and I'd really appreciate if you'd leave a like. I will also leave a link for the battery I've bought in the description. I'm Leo and I'll see you next week. But, in the meanwhile, remember to keep things alive.